Are you looking for the best electric bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jasion EB5 Electric Bike. The Jasion EB5 electric bike is a powerful and versatile electric mountain bike that offers a range of up to 40 miles per charge. Equipped with a 350W brushless motor, 7-speed Shimano gears, and front fork suspension, this bike provides a comfortable and smooth ride. The 360Wh removable battery is convenient for charging, and the LCD display panel provides accurate data support. The Jasion EB5 electric bike is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable electric bike. With its lightweight frame and powerful motor, it is suitable for commuting, mountain biking, and leisurely rides. Customers have praised its durability, comfort, and ease of use. What we like: smooth ride quality, versatile riding modes, durable tires, good battery range, easy assembly. Number 2. Riding Times 1500W Electric Bike. The Riding Times electric bike offers an impressive blend of features designed for your comfort and convenience. With its advanced full suspension system, you can enjoy a smoother ride over rough terrain. The powerful 1500W motor allows you to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it easy to tackle steep hills. You can choose between 3 riding modes, so whether you want to pedal, use electric power, or a combination of both, this bike adapts to your needs. Plus, the long-lasting battery provides a range of up to 75 miles, ensuring you can explore without worrying about running out of power. What we like: powerful 1500W motor, long-range battery, adjustable full suspension, 3 riding modes. Number 3. isinwheel U1 Folding Electric Bike. The isinwheel U1 electric bike offers a powerful 500W motor that makes climbing hills a breeze, allowing you to tackle inclines with ease. Its energy-efficient battery is cleverly tucked away in the frame, providing up to 25 miles of travel on a single charge, which means fewer worries about recharging. Portability is a key feature, as the bike's collapsible handlebars and pedals make it easy to store in tight spaces. Safety is prioritized with dual-disc brakes and built-in lights, ensuring you stay visible and secure, whether you're riding during the day or at night. What we like: powerful motor for hills, compact and foldable design, long-lasting battery life, enhanced safety features. Number 4. HAPPYRUN 1500W Electric Bike. The HAPPYRUN electric bike offers an impressive blend of power and convenience. With its robust 750W motor, reaching speeds of 32 miles per hour becomes effortless, making your daily commutes quick and efficient. The long-lasting 48V18Ah battery allows for an impressive range of up to 68 miles, ideal for those longer rides without the worry of frequent charging. You can choose from 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, or traditional biking, giving you flexibility based on your needs. Plus, the 20-inch fat tires enhance stability and grip on various terrains, ensuring a smooth ride even on challenging surfaces. What we like: high-speed performance, long battery life, multiple riding modes, stable on various terrains. Number 5. BIGNIU BGS Electric Bike. The BIGNIU BGS bike offers an impressive ride for both city streets and rugged terrains. With its powerful 1200W motor, you can reach speeds over 28 miles per hour, making every journey exhilarating. The 20-inch by 4.5-inch fat tires provide excellent traction, allowing you to navigate through mud and snow with ease. You'll appreciate the long-range battery, which offers up to 50 miles in pedal assist mode, ensuring you can explore without frequent recharges. Plus, with 3 riding modes and a 7-speed gear system, you can effortlessly switch between full electric riding and traditional cycling based on your preference in terrain. What we like: powerful 1200W motor, all-terrain fat tires, long battery range, Multiple riding modes.